What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is a very exciting video for me. I have been wanting to make this video ever since I first found out about this company. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm doing a full face on the Ipsy Glam Bag. I finally decided to do my subscriptions in January. I first found out about it on Instagram, and it was just like one of those little pop-up ads. I looked at their page and everything. It seemed pretty legit, and I seen some of the videos that people did on their Ipsy Glam Bag, and honestly, they get some pretty good products for them to pay $10 a month. Even though some of them are sample size and like the smaller little deluxe size, it's pretty good. You can either get a sample size, a deluxe size, or the full size of the product, but you get 5 different name brand products like Tarte, NYX, MAC, any cosmetics brand, you name it, you'll get it in that Ipsy Glam Bag that month. How you start off, you basically make an account like normal. You take a survey on like what kind of products you like, what type of brands you like, and basically how your skin is, if it's dry, combination, or oily skin, all that good stuff, just to know a little bit more about you and just to give you a few samples that match your survey. But yeah, basically you get 5 different type of products every single month. Without further ado, I'm just going to show you guys my little Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm super excited because I haven't seen these products yet. I got it in the mail yesterday, and yeah, let's go ahead and get guys. So this is my glam bag. This is what it comes in the mail. This is what it looks like. A really pretty packaging. So every month you get you a new makeup bag. They're literally the cutest little small little makeup bag. And this month I have just this metallic pink and blue zipper bag, and it's just really cute. It just says, "And off she went to change the world." I love this bag. It's so cute, and they honestly come in handy. When you open it up, you just get, well, actually I got me a little letter. I'm gonna show you guys the card, and basically, oh, I guess these are the products that I got for this month. So first I have this Jolly Cosmetics, the cream matte lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. It's just really cute, and it's in the shade Lavanda. The actual product packaging is looking like, and it's really pretty. This is basically what that looks like. I'm sorry, I don't know how to do straight lines, but that's really pretty. That's a pretty color. So next I have a makeup brush, SH Miss Glam. Is this right here? I don't know how to pronounce the name, but that right there, just a shader brush. And honestly, I needed another shader brush because I think I messed up my first one. But it's just really pretty. Like, look at the gold. It's just really pretty, really shimmery, and the little diamonds at the top. Next, I have a Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer, First Aid Beauty, and this is just their primer. So next I have the Tarte Man Eater Mascara, and honestly I need me another mascara, so this will come in handy. So last but not least, I have the Space Case Cosmetics, and this is just a eyeshadow. This is what it looks like. The packaging is really cool. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna swatch it. This is with one swipe, guys. Girl, get out of town. This is so pretty. So I didn't do my brows because I didn't know what was in this bag. I don't know if I was gonna get an eyebrow pencil or whatever. So I'm just going to quickly do my brows with the NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil. First, I'm going to be going in with the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. With me having combination skin, I don't want something that's too drying and something that's too like moisturizing. But this is basically what it looks like. It's just really creamy. And put some on my face, focusing on my T-zone and my forehead. Let that sit on my face just for a few minutes, just to see how it works. Just let it die down, get it into my skin, really into my skin. And I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the YBF, the Your Best Friend palette. So I'm going to go in with this bronzing powder, and it's just this powder right here. And it's just a light brown, so I'm going to put that in my crease as a base. I'm going to be using the Real Technique 300 creasing brush, actually, because it's just a bigger brush and it's perfect for my crease. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the shade Supportive, and it's just this navy blue type of color. I don't know what I'm going with for this look, but I'm just trying to find something that matches with my eyeshadow that I got in my Ipsy bag. So I'm just gonna blend this out on top. So since I'm done with that color, I'm honestly not even gonna look at that palette like that, because it's more neutral colors than bright and pigmented and colors and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go in with my James Charles palette. Going in with the palette, I'm gonna use the shade Single, and it's just this purple violet color, and this is what it looks like. And put that right on top of my crease just to blend out that color, try to mix that color up, because I don't know what the other color was. Thought it was a blue, but it wasn't. So I'm just gonna take this color and put it right on top. I'm going to go in with this shade right up here, and it's the shade Love That. I'm gonna put that right on top and just blend that in to add in some brightness to this eye look, just so it won't look dark and everything. So now taking the shade Escape, and it's just this dark purple right here. Taking Escape, and I'm putting this on my outer corner and inner corner, just to start with this halo eye that I'm going for. And I'm just gonna connect them two at the top. Now finally on the halo eye, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. lifting concealer. I'm just going to start off in the middle and just kind of look up. Alright, so now using this Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow. This is a really pretty eyeshadow to me. I'm going to start off by using my finger first, because it's just a lot easier to use my finger. And I'm just going to pat. Girl, that is so cute. Alright, so now that I have that up there, and I'm just going to pack in that purple and basically just blend in that dark purple at the end, at the inner corners and outer corner of my eye, just to blend in that color, and just blend it in on the top. Lashes, I'm just using my normal lashes, and it's the Kiss lashes. While that lash glue is drying, I'm going to go ahead and work on my lashes a little bit. I am going to be using the Tarte Man Eater Voluptuous mascara. So I'm just going to use this mascara just to curl up my lashes. Alright guys, so I'm back. I have my lashes on, and I'm going to do my face. So since I already put on that primer, I'm just going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is what it looks like. And it's in the shade 335 Classic Tan. Now for concealer, I like to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle, the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer. This is basically my natural shade, and this just gives me a lighter undertone. So I just mix these two up and just put it under my eyes. To set my concealer, I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me Medium Deep Loose Face Powder. While my concealer is setting, I'm just going to use my bronzer, and it's just the CoverGirl bronzer in shade Fawny. So now I'm just gonna wipe away this powder and just make sure everything is clean. So I want it to be a little bit different and do my waterline. So I'm going to use this bright green shade, and it is called Social Blade. And I'm going to use this. I wanted to do something different because I don't know, just tap out the box a little bit. So I'm putting Social Blade right on my waterline. I am using my my SL Miss Glam short shader brush, and this is the 4th item that I got in my Ipsy bag, and it's just this beautiful shader brush. Just basically just packing this green right up on my waterline. So now I'm just gonna use my setting spray, the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I'm just gonna spritz this on my face before I put on my lip gloss. Now on the final touches, I am just going to go back in with my Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow, and I want to use this as a highlighter. I don't know why, but it's just really calling my name. I'm just gonna take some of this on my brush and use it as like a little highlight. Really pretty color. Last but not least, I'm using the Jolly Luxe Cream Matte Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Lavanda, and it's just this color right here, this matte pink violet type color. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is how my makeup looks. I am so happy and so excited with my final look. This is really out of the box for me. I never do these type of looks at all. I've done a few looks with me being like extra or whatever. I never do waterline looks or different colored lip. I always do lip glosses, but honestly this looks pretty good. Like, everything in this Ipsy bag was phenomenal. I love everything that I got in my Ipsy bag. Like always, everything is just perfect, from my skin to my face to my hair. I got moisturizers, I have skincare products, and I have makeup. So I'm a happy girl. Like I was saying earlier, they give you a variety of products, and all of the different products that I have, I'm in love with. Some brands I never even heard of, their products are amazing, and all of these products in here are amazing. If you guys are subscribed to the Ipsy Glam Bag, let me know what your thoughts on them. And if you guys like this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and comment down below for more makeup tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the love and support you guys continue to show me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh my, what a wonderful time. Been a minute since